Welcome to Qubetics, where multi-chain magic happens behind the scenes, and your assets move with just one click. Start by downloading the Qubetics app from the App Store or Google Play. Install, open the app, and let's dive in. Once inside, you'll see your unified wallet dashboard. Tap Chain Abstraction on the homepage. Select your source chain and asset, like Bitcoin, USDT, USDC, or TIX. Your available balance will appear instantly. Now pick the destination chain and token. You can also use the center interchain switch icon to reverse source and destination instantly for quick toggling. Input the amount you want to send. Qubetics previews exactly what will be received on the other side, accounting for fees and conversion. Tap Next to review your transaction details. Once satisfied, authorize with your fingerprint, face scan, or passcode. Behind the scenes, Qubetics MPC-powered abstraction engine coordinates a secure transaction. No bridges, no wrapping, no fuss. Boom, your cross-chain transfer is complete. The funds have arrived on the target chain. Tap View on Explorer to see the transaction hash for both source and destination chains, along with full transaction metadata, transparently logged on the Qubetics blockchain. Let's do it again. This time sending TIX from one chain directly to Bitcoin. Same process, same speed, same magic, all abstracted. This is chain abstraction, the Qubetics way. One app, every chain, zero complexity. Tap, send, done.